I'm Dave Mars from Fixer to Fabulous. I am also a builder, I'm a general contractor, and today I'm going to talk about Mastic's Structure vinyl siding. So today we're going to do a test of temperature transfer between a standard hollow backed panel and the Structure home insulation system by Mastic. All right, so I've got compressed air that when you flip over will turn to ice, and I've got a thermal gun. So we'll try the hollow backed panel first. All right, spray ice on that. We have got a temperature here, -22. As you can see when we back it away, you can actually see the condensation and ice coming off the bottom of the panel. But we are at a -22. I mean, you move over in the panel, you're 68 degrees. Flip the panel, -19, -22. Literally, transfer of cold is going right through the hollow back panel. Now, let's compare that to the Structure home insulation system by Mastic. So we're gonna do essentially the same location. We have a starting temperature, 68 degrees, just our room temperature. We're gonna really juice this one up with ice. All right, holding it right on that spot, I have that same -22. Okay, flip this panel, we'll put it in the same spot. Remember, the hollow back panel was the exact same temperature. You can see that cold signature. We are at 60 degrees on the opposite side of the Structure panel. If you look at the side of the panel, I went in the narrowest part of this Structure panel. So yes, there is temperature transfer, but it is drastically different than the hollow back panel. This can give you up to an R rating of 3, which is triple what you can expect over your standard uninsulated panel. Contractors, if you are looking to get value for your homeowners, this is the way to do it. Mastic's premium vinyl siding technology has a solution for all climates and geographies. For those looking to wrap their home in a blanket of continuous insulation, ensuring the home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, the Structure home insulation system by Mastic is the solution. And you get a VIP limited lifetime warranty. That's the way to go for your homeowners.